everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to count items using CSV import. If we want to count the inventory using CSV import, then we need to export the item details from the item worksheets that are available in Inventory Count. We have two worksheets that are available. One is the bin item worksheet and the other is the non-bin item worksheet. If we want to count bin items, then we need to export the bin item worksheet. Similarly, if we want to count non-bin items, we need to export the non-bin item worksheet. Now, in my case, I want to use the bin item worksheet, so I need to navigate to Inventory Count, Item Worksheet, and click Bin Item Worksheet. If we want to count non-bin items, then follow the same steps and click Non-Bin Item Worksheet instead. If we want to count all the items that use bins, then we need to click on this CSV icon, which exports all the item details that are present over here. If we want to count items from a particular location or bin, then in the filter section at the top, we can select the required location and bin. Once we select the location and bin, we can see that the items are filtered based on the values that we entered. Now, we can export these details using the CSV icon. We need to click on the icon and then the file will be downloaded. On the CSV file that is exported from the item worksheet, we will be able to see different columns like internal ID, item, description, location, bin, and on-hand quantity. On-hand quantity is the quantity of the item in NetSuite. In the worksheet, we need to enter the physical quantity and the serial or lot number, if that item is a serial or lot number item. We need to enter the physical quantity we have in our physical inventory in the physical quantity column. If the item uses serial numbers or lot numbers, then we need to enter those values in the serial or lot number column. If the item is a serial numbered item, then we need to enter the sum of the serial numbers that we have entered in the physical quantity. For example, if we have entered 2 serial numbers in the serial or lot number column, then we need to enter 2 in the physical quantity as well. Similarly, if we have entered 3 serial numbers in the appropriate column, then we need to enter 3 in the physical quantity column. For a lot numbered item, we need to enter the lot number in the serial or lot number column and the physical quantity in the physical quantity column. For a lot numbered item, we need to enter each quantity value separated by a comma. For example, if we have entered 2 lot numbers in the lot number column, then we need to enter 2 quantities in the physical quantity column. Similarly, if we have entered 3 lot numbers, then we have to enter 3 physical quantities, each separated by a comma. With these rules in mind, we need to enter the physical quantity for all of the items on this sheet. If the item uses serial or lot numbers, then we need to enter those numbers in the appropriate column. Once we have entered all the details, we need to save the sheet so that we can import it. To import this sheet, we need to navigate to Setup, then go to Import Export and click Saved CSV Imports. In the Saved CSV Imports list, we have a saved import with the name Inventory Count Suite App Import. Click on that to open it. Once it is open, we then need to select the file where we have just entered the details and then click Open. Once we have selected the file, we need to click Next. Since this is a saved CSV import, we don't need to change any details, we just need to click Next. Here, we can see that the fields are automatically mapped. We need to click on Next again, and then we need to run the import by clicking on the Run button. Once the import's job status is 100%, we need to navigate to Inventory Count, go to Inventory Count and click Inventory Count screen to view the records that have been imported successfully. On this page, we can view the records that have been successfully imported or scanned. Here, we will be able to see the items that we just now have successfully imported. So, this is how we can count the inventory using CSV import.